In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox keeps crashing and freezing. Now first what we want to do is come down here and search for run. From in here you want to type in percentage local app data percentage, press OK, and you will come in here. Now you want to scroll down until you find temp, open up temp and find Roblox and delete this folder. Now when you delete this folder, what this does is it will make Roblox regenerate the folder when we open it again. So simply try and open Roblox again and see if this works. Now if it still doesn't work, you can come to Roblox right here, right click on it, properties and compatibility. Make sure you enable both of these, apply and OK. Now try and run Roblox again and see if this works. Now, if this also doesn't work, there's another thing we can try, and that is simply uninstalling Roblox. Come down here, search for apps and features. In here, you want to search for Roblox, click on it and uninstall. Now, if you uninstall it, you want to reinstall it from the Roblox website and then try and launch it again. Now, any of these three should hopefully help you. If it doesn't, there's still one last thing we can try, and that is going to run percentage app data percentage. Come in here and you wanna do percentage local app data percentage again, and instead of going into temp you can delete this Roblox folder as well. So simply delete it and wait for it to delete and then try and open Roblox again. Now any of these should hopefully help you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.